In this video, we will see that how we can create our own rebar specification and save it to the database of Midas CIM. We don't need to copy paste the rebar specification each time we open the Midas CIM project. So for that, first of all, we need to go to the model ribbon. Under the model ribbon, we are having a rebar. Under the rebar drop-down menu, we will just go to the specification option. Under the menu tile of the rebar specification, we can see there is a column starting from the name, nominal diameter, bending radius, 90-degree hook length, 135-degree and 180-degree hook length, and at the last we are having a column for the weight. So we'll just create a table into the Excel. So we'll just redirect it to the Excel part. So here we have created a table starting from the name, the diameters and all the information related to the diameter, like what will be the bending radius for the particular diameter, what will be the hook length for the 90-degree, 135 and 180-degree hook lengths. And at the last, we added a column for the weight. If you observe, all these dimensions are noted into the millimeters, while the last column is entered as a kg per meters, because in the last column, CIM takes this value, the weight values as kg per meters. So that is why we need to enter this value as kg per meter. Now we're starting from the first name and ending to the right bottom corner. We'll select all the cells and we'll copy it using the Ctrl plus C key. Now we'll open the File Explorer. Under the File Explorer, you need to dive into this particular location. Under the local disk C, you will be having a folder called users, under which you will be having your named user. Currently, we are having a user 1. After that, in that particular folder, you will be having a app data. Under the app data, you will be having a folder called roaming, and under that, you will be having a folder called Midas. Kindly navigate to this folder. This is the same folder at the time of installation you had chosen. This is by default program chooses this location, and if you have installed the base files of this CIM into the different location, then you need to navigate to that location only. You will find the Midas software at that location. Under that, you will be having two folders. One is for CIM and another one is for the infra design. Kindly double click on the Midas CIM. And in this folder, we are having another folder called Rebar Specifications. We'll double click over it. If you can see, we are having different standards over here, ASTM, IS, KS, and NTC. Similarly, we can paste our own standards over here. So for that, we will be creating a new folder called Midas. And in that folder, we will be creating a new text format, naming it as specification. So combining the Midas, the folder name, and the file name as spec, the file name would appear in the Midas CIM as Midas spec. So we'll double click on it and we'll paste the entire table into the notepad. So you can see we have pasted all the values, and now we'll save this file as RST file, and for that we'll go to the file ribbon and we'll select save as option. We'll choose the save as type as all files and we'll assign the file name as spec.rst, which is the extension which is read by the Midas CIM for the Rebar specification part. And we'll click on the save button. Now we'll close this one. As we don't want this specification text document, so we'll just delete this file. Now, if you go back to the Midas CIM and reopen the project, so the Midas CIM has been opened for the new project. And if you go to the data ribbon of workstream, you can find at the 5th place there is a specification for Midas SPEC, Midas specification. And if you double right click on it and go to the modify, you can identify all the values are there, starting from Y6, the bar diameter in the meters, bending radiuses, and the hook length as per the data we entered into the text file. So that is how easily we can create and save our own rebar specification into the CIM database.